All right, this is the video about how we moved to the Rumba. With the Rumba, we want to place a lot of emphasis on rolling through our feet. So we practiced, we either park our arms or we move our arms. We never just let them be dead, remember? So if we're starting with our right foot going forward or backward, we want to sort of pull our heel way up and push our toe way down and shift our weight into that nice strong ankle. That's a wonderful practice for strong ankles. You could even just do this as part of your balance practice. And then practice with the other one. That one of mine does not go as high anatomically. Okay. You can do that stepping to the side. You can do that stepping back. Keeping the heel way up, but pushing that toe way down. So there are two things happening. Strong ankle, shifting your weight into it. That was very important. So when we're stepping and moving and traveling, we are rolling our weight. Our weight is over our feet through the toe heel. Lift the heel, press the toe, and we're just trying to imagine making big, giant ball of the footprints quietly all over the surface. It could be snow. It could be sand. It could be clay. It could be Play-Doh. It could be peanut butter, whatever you want it to be. But just push, push. And can you see how my knees are going? And we're kind of choo-choo training a little bit here. So practicing this, yes, that counts for your balance practice. You can just walk around the house like that, walk around the grocery store like that, once down the street like that. Okay. Very important. Quiet, roll through the ball of the feet. Might make your calves cramp, so make sure you get a good stretch. The other really important thing is that, again, the arms have something to do. If you can't really think about the arms because you're thinking really hard about the steps, just park them so that they don't just get forgotten. And I think as far as other tips, we will just say, remember the rhythm. You should be able to hear slow, quick, quick. So slow gets 2 beats, quick, quick for every one of the quick. So whatever song you do, you should be able to count slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Just hear it first. And if you don't like it, change the song. Okay? Enjoy, feel it, have fun, and practice these dances.